Hello everyone, I am Mahesh Madi. I starting my series machine learning. Okay, recently I covered some important topics, linear regression, logistic regression, something like that. So today is a important topic. Is a name of the hypothesis testing. Is a one of the best and more useful test in machine learning for all the perspective use. Okay, all the domain use this testing. Okay, what is this test saying us? So this is important in uh, statistics topic for data science and machine learning. Okay, so most important topic in that have a number of testing like t-test, z-test, ANOVA test. The number of test in includes in hypothesis testing. Okay, so one of the best. Firstly, see what is its definition, what says hypothesis. So, hypothesis testing is a method to make a decision using data. We check whether our assumptions is one is true or false. Only two. Okay. Mainly, as a software developer or a product manufacturer company, uh, launch their new product or service in the market. They test this product or service is a something different from the previous model or previous product or not. Okay, this is test is a very important for future prediction of a product or service. Do we assume uh, this product how far going in the market? Okay, so there are two types. There are two types of testing. First one is H0 means null hypo, and second is H1 is denotes alternate hypo. Okay, so we started some it's important factors means the probability value we use in tells a strong in your result. Okay, what tells p value? Probability value tells how strong your result is. Okay, and second one is significance value. So one of the best and important factor used in all the hypothesis testings. Okay, this is known as alpha also. Alpha. Okay, what is the use? It usually is a denote usually is a value is a 0.05, and if p value less than 0.05 is a rejected. H0 means null value. Sorry, null hypothesis. Okay, simple rule: if p less than 0.05, reject null hypo. And second one is if p greater than 0.05, it accept null hypo. Okay, it's clear. So we see there something. number of types of tests. So first is a one test is a means t-test, and in that is a use for sample size is small and population standards deviation is unknown. Okay, and most important, data is continuous. Okay, it helps it helps to compare means. Okay, so compares means average values of the sample data. So we see one of the first t-test is one sample t-test, sample versus known value. Okay, we see practically example of a t-test. Okay, on this is raw and this I don't. Okay, import numpy as a mp, and we have to specify model stat library. So from SciPy stats import t-test one sam. Okay, we have to declare one variable. Okay, np dot array, that have to mention some values. Okay, and now t-test t-value is equal to t-test t-test one sam, and in that mention marks, and we have assume value 70. Okay, it's a mean we are assume, and it's actual, it is a actual sample data, and this is the assumed value of 70. Okay, second we have to print it the stats the not test, it's a stat the stat. Okay, and second one is print p value p value. Okay, there is a mistake. Okay, we see the output t-test and p-value. We can also write a condition for our explanation 0.5. Okay, if p-value less than alpha, then print reject null hypo. And second one is else, so print fail to reject fail to reject null hypo. Okay, this is the see fail to reject because we consider number of outliers also, not outliers but it's a far difference between. Okay, so next one is a second t-test is called independent t-test. Okay, it's a denoted t-test underscore int. It is used for two different groups. Okay, boys versus girls, class A versus class B performance, something like that. Okay, we simply import libraries from SciPy dot stats import test in. Okay, group 1 says 85, 90, 80, 92. Okay, 4 I think 86. Okay, group 2 says have it 38, 80, 57, sorry 75, 82 and 79. Okay, not big issue. Okay, we have to simply declare values this test p value. Okay, p test id group 1 group 2, we have to must be add in arguments. Okay, parameters, not arguments. We have to print it t test t stats t stat. Second one is print p value. Okay, p value. We can also have alpha value. Okay, 0.05. If p value less than 0.05 means alpha, it prints reject null hypo, else print fail to reject. Fail to reject null hypo means null hypothesis. Simply check it is a reject to null hypo. Okay, this is the independent t-test. It's used for two different groups. Okay, there means this is the first sample test. Only we see clear difference only one group, and in the independent t-test we have two groups. Okay, we have a number of three or more groups we can use in our test. Okay, the third one is a pair test, is also more important test. Pair test t-test. Okay, is denoted t-test rel. Okay, when I use when we comparing same group before and after. Okay, this is clear. When we compare when comparing same group before and after, means weighted before diet or diet, after diet, marks before training or after training. So that's why we use, in that we use pair t-test. You see practically. Okay, import t-test rel, it means relation. Okay, before marks 70, 68, 75, 74, and after means after training. Okay, 75, 78, 73, 80, 79. Okay, t stat p value is equal to t test rel, and we have to mention before and after. Print, I just copy paste the same code here, not everything, just simply. Okay, right, we can clearly see reject to null hypothesis. This compared to same group after, before, after and before. Okay, this before marks after training, we clearly say this difference. Okay, that's why reject null hypothesis. Reject null hypothesis means alternative. just have some changes. Okay. Okay, then I stop here. Tomorrow I creating video on ANOVA test. So thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.